mseme ile mmekuja kutafuta hapa. Wako wapi? Nani mkubwa? Mkuu, where is the leader of the team?
They have gone.
They
have just taken up.
Si gari yao ndio hii.
Leta microphone.
Wameenda wapi?
Leta mic. Leta tuanisha.
Wameenda wapi? To home, and as he was leaving, the watchman at the gate told him that there were people claiming, because that's all we can state for now, to be DCI officers in a vehicle with Sudanese registration, and claiming that they want to speak and to see him. And I told them immediately, I mean, from my knowledge, when the police want to do something, they don't come in foreign number plates. Number two, they have a warrant. Number three, they state their case and they show and produce the warrant that is supposed to allow them to do whatever it is that they want to do. And I told them, don't open the gate. And unfortunately, I was in the office doing other work, so I just told them, just keep the gate closed. And I am now here, and I understand now they have left. Because I wanted to ask them, what are you doing in my son's home?
The opposition.
Unfortunately, I have no other explanation to give, because all of these things are flowing in a row. I have a whole minister of government staying there that is going to do I don't know what in front of my mother's house. I have people who have been guarding my mother for the last almost 50 years, withdrawn at night. I have now a situation where my son's home is being raided for things that I don't understand. So I asked myself, what does this government want? Because if it wants me, the fact that I've been silent doesn't mean I'm scared. Come for me. What does my mother have to do with anything? What does my children have to do with anything? Kama shida yenu ni mimi, I'm here.
Mr. President, they have been claiming that you are behind the Azimio la Umoja protest and you're funding the protest. Perhaps, how do you reply to these statements?
You tell me, right? And I have said it severally. And that's why I keep saying, maybe silence sometimes is not right. Yeah? But I have ignored it because I have asked myself, how? Yeah? What does the issues that Kenyans are talking about have nothing to do with me? All right? Have you seen me in any of those events? Have you seen me talk about any of those events? Yeah? Now if you say that because of my association with Raila, am I not supposed to talk to my friends? As a retired man, I am protecting my family. And I will. All right? And I will not be intimidated.
Lastly,
so all of them can hear that.
Lastly, there has been a call for truce by,
that's got nothing to do with me. Yeah, so truce, this, truce, that's not my business. Yeah, but leave my family out of it. And like I say, and I say once again, to you who think you can intimidate an old woman so that you intimidate me, who think you can intimidate children and grandchildren so you can intimidate. If you want me, come, here I am. Sijaenda pahali. Msiende kuseme huyu ametoroka, ameenda. Niko na watu yenu, wanajua every second wanajua niko wapi. Yeah. Wachana na watoto, wachana na wazee. Mimi niko hapa kama mko na swali na mimi. Sawa? Yeah? Sasa hiyo watu sijui wameenda wapi. Waende, wakirudi, watarudi. Kama hawatarudi, wakae. Lakini kwangu, hii ni nyumba yangu. Yeah? Sio yangu, ni ya watoto yangu. Yeah? Na mimi nitalinda kama kila mwananchi mwingine atalinda mali yake. Yeah? Sio ndio haki ya kila Mkenya? Yeah. Na mimi siwaulizi wanipatie walinzi, wakitaka kuwachukua wachukue wote, lakini wanipatie heshima yangu ya kulinda pia mimi mali yangu kama Mkenya mwingine.
Lastly, before you actually exited office, you had a meeting in Sagana and you said to the people that they will suffer after you exit.
I am not going to comment about it. You know what I said. So if you want to know about what I said, yeah, me I don't try and hide from what I said. Kwenda kufanya search button kwa Google ama whatever, utajua nilisemaje. Na hiyo ni public knowledge. Si ni namna hiyo. Kuna haja ya kurudia. Kwenda Google tu ufinye button. Utajua. Ama namna gani? Na nawashukuru. Na ombi langu kwenu nyinyi kama fourth estate. Lindeni uhuru wa Wakenya. Yeah. Lindeni demokrasia ya taifa letu. Sina ingine. Hiyo ni haki yenu. Si ndio? Yeah? Na Wakenya wanawatarajia mfanye hivi. Sawa? God bless you. Thank you for coming and I appreciate it. Asante.